Way back in the fine old days, no one told the people that it was gonna rain. And when they told it, they paid no mind. So when the flood came, they were all left behind. It's gonna rain, it's gonna rain. Better get ready, let's get in mind. God sure know what there ain't no sign. It won't be water to fight next time. So when the rain began to pour, they knocked on the windows, they knocked on the door. See, they didn't know exactly what to do. You wouldn't want this to happen to you. It's gonna rain, it's gonna rain, and there's in mind. See, God sure know that the rain goes down. There won't be water to fire next time. And no say, I'm sorry, my friends, but God's got the key and I can't let you in. There's something that's happened to the hearts of men, 'cause the same thing is gonna happen again. Rain falling, it's gonna rain, and there is in mind. God sure know that the rainbow sign. There won't be water. Now listen to the rain falling, the rain falling, the rain falling, you see, the Lord is alone. How much more can He express when we continue to take His law and carry it to excess? Yeah, we're building idols from the things that we possess, when we should humbly seek the Lord and come before Him in confession. So much corruption, so much confusion. The devil's causing millions to follow his illusions. Why lose your soul over things that have no word? Oh, God's fire cleansing is gonna rain. It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. In mind, God sure know that the rainbow sign won't be water. The fire, oh, it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. Better get ready. Better stay in mind. If God sure know that the rainbow sign won't be water. The fire.